At 50 and beyond, you've heard it all before. Phrases, slogans, and sayings that stick in your mind like background music. Some of them lifted you up, others quietly limited you. When you decide to start building a business in real estate investing later in life, these everyday slogans take on new power. They can either become chains that hold you back or wings that help you fly. The influence of negative slogans. For many people over 50, life has been shaped by decades of repeated phrases such as, "You can't teach an old dog new tricks," "Better safe than sorry," "That ship has sailed." These slogans sound harmless, but they quietly reinforce doubt and hesitation. They whisper that learning real estate investing is too late. They nudge you toward procrastination instead of progress. If you absorb them, you might second-guess opportunities, dismiss your experience as outdated, or underestimate your ability to adapt. The cost of holding on. Missed opportunities. Passing on deals out of fear because better safe than sorry. Lower confidence, feeling like you're always behind younger investors. Paralysis, struggling to take action because the slogans have written a script of limitation in your mind. The power of positive slogans. On the other hand, positive slogans can serve as affirmations that shape your mindset and fuel your momentum. Consider these. It's never too late to start. Experience is the best teacher. Fortune favors the bold. When you adopt these kinds of slogans, they act as mental shortcuts to courage. They remind you that your 50-plus years of living, working, and problem-solving are not disadvantages. They're assets. They remind you that learning real estate investing isn't about age. It's about attitude. The return on positive words. Confidence. Walking into negotiations, knowing your life experience gives you leverage. Momentum. Believing that action today builds tomorrow's wealth. Resilience. Embracing challenges as opportunities rather than setbacks. Step by step, rewriting the slogans in your life, identify your inner script. Write down the slogans you catch yourself repeating about money, age, or risk. Ask, does this phrase limit me or lift me? Replace the negative. Swap "that ship has sailed" with "there's always another wave." Replace "I'm too old for this" with "my timing is perfect." Practice the positive daily. Speak empowering slogans out loud before making business calls or analyzing deals. Create a small card deck of affirmations tied to real estate investing. Surround yourself with reinforcement. Join groups of like-minded 50-plus investors who repeat empowering language. Read and listen to stories of late starters who built thriving portfolios. Anchor slogans to action. Instead of just saying "fortune favors the bold," link it to a specific step. This week I'll make 2 offers. Why this matters in real estate investing. After 50 Real Estate is a business where your words influence your mindset and your mindset influences your decisions. Every deal, every negotiation, every tenant interaction is shaped by the internal slogans you carry. Negative slogans reinforce fear, delay, and scarcity. Positive slogans cultivate action, persistence, and growth. At 50-plus, you're not starting over. You're starting smarter. By consciously choosing the slogans you live by, you rewrite your financial future. Final word. The slogans you grew up with don't have to dictate the life you build now. Real estate investing after 50 isn't about erasing your past. It's about editing the script. You have the power to swap outdated phrases for empowering ones and to let your words fuel your wealth. Remember, it's not too late. It's right on time.